tell you a story, a project about the happy birthday card. So I will tell you how this project make first. So later there will be a button where you can press and the card will just open up. So first we click this button and see which one will you. I will choose button 1. Then we put when green flag click it. So when we press the green flag click it, there will something happen. Then we go to the looks block. Then we take this, go to 10, 30, minus 13. We erase this one and make it to 0 of step. Now let's press the green button. Ta-da! It gave to the middle. Then we press the looks box and there's a show. Control forever, of course. Then we put the change color effect so it's a little bit like changing color. You put the change color into the forever. Then change this newbie 25 to 3. Then let's do it. Wow! But if you want to like make it different, not 3, it's okay. It still works. Like if you want to make it still 25, it's still okay. But I want to choose 3. Then we look at the events again, and when this part click it, so when we click this part, it will start something. Then where's that hiding thing? Oh, here it is. Hide. Then we go to the events again and broadcast go. Oh, that's making it go. Okay. Now we look at where is it? I just see it. Hey, oh, here it is. Yes. We look at this. Yes. Stop all. Then we change and click this button, click this all, and press this other scribe in Sprite. Scratch Paint Editor will now open. Choose Text Tool, as also known as T, actually. Like this, if you want to do it, wait. Back and put this paint and ta-da! I better put the sans serif. This, and I want it to be black, so change it to black. Then you can write. I will just write press. What should I write? Oh, press only. Only on your press only on your birthday. So now let's click whenever you want. Click whenever you want. And now let's bigger it. Code. And now put this press only on your birthday. Where is this thing? Here's it. Put this press only at your birthday and email. And done. Now you can change a font using the font menu at the bottom left of the Paint Editor. Mystery works well of the birthday card. But you can also make another word. It's okay, but I will choose this word. For the card itself, you need a different background. Click the background symbol that is like this one. In the lower left of the scratch window, to choose a new background from the library, then select party background. But if you want to use another background, not party, but it's okay. But because it's actually a birthday, I will choose a party. Now let's click this thing. Then make sure you still have the stage select in the lower left of the scratch. Click on the scripts tab above the blocks palette and hit scratch for the stage. Now try running the project and see what happens when you click the button. But now we need to when we press the button, there will no party increase. When in the starting is with no party, and when we press the button, there will be a party screen. This is how to do it. First we change the stage first into the normal stage, and it's this backdrop one. Then when green flag, click it. When green flags click it, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Switch backdrop to backdrop 1. And green flag, click it, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. when I receive go, that is actually the events block. When I receive actually Q, switch backdrop to party. And so look at it. Green flag, click it, and pip. Yay! Now when we put green flag, click it. There's a button where we can press, and it will be in a party backdrop now. There's something missing about here. What if there is in a birthday? Yes, a cake. So now let's click this Sprite. Then we can press this food and set the cake. Then I describe to the cake. When green flag, click it again. Then hide. What did I just spin? Hide. Switch costume to cake 8. Because look at the cake costume. There's cake 8, cake B. So cool. To cake. Switch costume to cake. Not cake B. Cake A, I mean. When I reach and the events again. Wait, not the events. When I receive go to add. When I receive do that motion and go to XY103. Then we put some show. Where's that? Light. Then we put light to sex to XO Y minus 100. This is how it works. Put that motion again. And light 160 X. And we need to change this glidey thing. X, make it to 0. And this thing is to minus 100. And I don't want it to be super duper fast, so I will make it to put key, control, and we put forever. And then there we need to go to the events again. And broadcast not do again. Wait, not menu. And workcase glue, but it's not you. New method. And I will just call it line O or line A. Okay. Workcase line A. Play sound. Then we put that sound and play sound birthday until done. Then we go to the control again. Wait 1 sec, but we're not going to wait 1 sec. We're going to wait for only 10 seconds. Because it's too like speedy when it's just 1 sec. What do we have again in the birthday? Yes, of course. And then so we press this and baby. Then we use this line to make a line. A very beautiful line, and I'm not going to make that stripy line actually. Let me make it bigger. Or just erase it because it will work. Now we make a line. Or there is an easy way if you want this way. So put that in pixel and N-O-I. Of course not that. This I. Then it's me. And now we got an stripy one. But I better use this one and make it not 1 because it's super duper small and 26. Wow, that's super duper fast, but I think it's okay. Then another one over here. Tweet. How to make a banner then? Just simply get this and boom, boom. And I don't want it to be black, so I can change the color. I want it to be pink, my favorite color, or just better yellow. Also my favorite color. I want the outlines to be a little bit yellow, but I think black one is good. And I don't want it to be as big as this donut, okay? So like this and yeah. Then this. And to make it smaller, we can smaller up this thing. I'll just make it another one because this one is too big. First, make a line or make a square. I don't want it to be. Then one is here. There. Then we just make a distance. It's not, of course, that. Then we put this text and we write ha. Wait, not that. I will just use so it became colorful. I want to use red. P VIRTHDAY. Happy birthday. And you press anywhere we want and put it this happy birthday. And I will put it in the middle. Ta-da! Then now we have a banner, and I will move this banner here. Happy birthday! Now let's try and baby. Wow! But we're still not done. After that, we use the banner, then we when green flag, click it, hide. Just follow the script. Hi. Go.
Aku daftar apa buka?
And I receive go. Point in direction 80. Point in direction 80. Or you can just write 80. Then we look at the looks again and show. Then we put forever. That's normal forever. Turn 20 degrees. I will choose the one that is in the backward. Turn 20. Turn 20. Turn 20 degrees. Now, then equal control. Wait, one fax. And later we will use one fax again, so I will repeat later. Then we put this to 20 degrees again, but in the backward way. Wait, because later it will be too fast with just boy and boom. So I'll put with one sexy. Then we change this 15 again to 20. 20 like this in the opposite way. Then, so it won't be a fast again, we will put wait 1 second again. Then, of course, when there will be an happy birthday, there will be people too, right? So, I will choose the people to be king. How much is loading in that? And people. Of course, there will be no animals in the party. And why do animals celebrate the party? That's very unusual. So I will pick. The other people pick a mermaid. Or I think I will just pick a princess because this is a princess party. Oh, this princess is super duper high, so I will just change it by making the size into 7. too big. Still too big. I think Swifty is enough for her. Oh, not the cake that I want to string. The cake can be enough with 100, but the princess is too big. So 70. Now that's better. If I want the princess to have a more lighter skin, so I can change the skin into. There we put. This and this too, because I want the princess to have a lighter skin. Then I want the princess. Then I want the princess to have a more lighter dress, so I can change the dress. I want it to be like yellow. Let's make this yellow and this and this. I'll just make a little bit of them. Now it's beautiful. Because I don't want anyone to change the princess style, so I'll just put it on. Then, because I want another princess, of course there's only one people in the party, so I will duplicate it. And of course they will not have the same dress, so I will choose it to be light blue. Because they won't be two of course similar dresses. This blue one is more beautiful, but two of them is beautiful. And of course there will be people who have music. So I will make this princess will have a hat on it using. I think a hat will be great, but how about a more crowning? So I will choose yellow and make a beautiful crown. But if you don't want to make a crown that's a normal princess that is in the sprite, it's okay. However, me, I want to make it. Wow, so beautiful. The crown is great. And now, definitely you need to have a different clothes. I want to make a rainbow clothes because I love rainbows. Now, orange, that is here, that is here. Here, and not another orange. After orange, there. I will choose yellow. Pee. And I want green. Green. Then blue. Well, this is more beautiful than a more normal princess. Because I've never seen a princess wearing actually a golden, a rainbow one. So first, I will just pick princess. This princess. But if you want to make not princess, actually it's okay. You can make other one like shark. You can make sharks, or you don't want to make the cake. You don't want a cake like only a peanut, not like a fruit basket. It's okay. Because in this scratch project, it's the scrap who is important. The sprite, it's not important. You can make it different if it's a sprite problem. Princess, then we press when green flag clicking. Hi, of course. Later, because I need two of these princess that is not wearing the almost wearing the same clothes. I will put this yellow princess in the coat into this backpack, and later I will click princess 2 and open the backpack again, and or you just want to copy this clip.
Orang udah
Hi.
konfirmasi kok udah bisa ngisi saldo.
But the code meaning that the code you may not be became different, even a little different, it will just not work. But if it's one on the color different, it is okay. Because colors can be any colors. So yes.
Kamu dalam lupa akan 5 bonus setelah diverifikasi.
This have to be minimum 180 and X. Okay. But because I want the princess to be in this side, so I but if you want to like make the princess in this side, in this side, in her normal size, it you can do whatever you.
Kalau gitu dibodoh-bodohin bagusnya.
And you can also put the places in a different position as normal. Like if you want to put the princess here, you can do that, you can do that. But if you want to put a princess here, like there, you need to not go to it. Just make the princess when you want and go to 6y26. But I want the princess to be here, so I'll just put it. So element. Then after that we use this point in direction to 90. Point in direction to 90. There's that motion again. Direction 90 here, so it can be super duper. Because if it's like this, there will be a mistake maybe happen. So I'll choose 90. Then switch costume to I actually want to switch it, but because I don't have a costume, other costume of this princess, I don't want to change. But if you have a costume, you may use that switch costume to shot A, or you want to make it into Princess A. But because I already like erase all the costumes, so I will do that. Later, when I receive go, that is here, another glue, show So, and glide 2 stacks to X. And glide 3 stacks and glide just 2 stacks. And I'll change this 42 and this 74 and this 74. And make this y is going to become 1 minus 70 and this 2 minus 1 6 5. What is that? 6 5. After that, we click one green flag, click it. Green flag, click it. Hide. Then go to another go to that is the motion. Go to not 40 and 70. The X we take 1 6 70 came 1 80. Now it's that. Put it here and with the hiding one. Set then we go into like here. Set rotation style to left right. So we don't need to even click this button and change it. We just it's the right one, left and right. Then we click this point in direction 90. Then we minus this and minus 9. That's better. Then switch course. Then when I receive then we put all this pride into our backpack. So just click it. Actually, I already have lots of backpack, but it's okay. And I just put it in the backpack. Loading. Now we have a script. Later I will show you why actually we put this. Actually put all the script into the backpack. Later I will show you. Actually, you don't need to give it to the backpack. You can just do this. Now it has this, but I can use it like this, like this. 10. Then we take this block too. Hey, now we have this block in the princess too. Of course, I will make a sprite in the birthday princess. Of course, the birthday princess will say thank you. So, events. when this sprite click it, because when when this sprite click it will say thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. THANK. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very much for coming for coming in my no, party. Thank you very much for coming in my party. Then we connect this thing. And let's see what the Princess Tree says when I click it. Thank you very much for coming in my party. Then look what it has. When we put green flag, click it. I will just put the Princess Tree and then here, press the button. Then we put thank you very much for coming in my party. Then the happy birthday will milk and we'll go. So this is the happy birthday card. Hope you enjoyed this.